So in this video, I'll be showing you how to split screen on your Samsung Galaxy A07. So the first step when it comes to split screening is to ensure that you have apps running in the background that you want to use in split screen. So for example, if you want to use the messaging app, you can just go ahead and launch it and then open up the multi-view window. From here, now at the top of this window preview, you should see this app icon. Tap on it once and then select the option Open in Split Screen. Once you've done that, the screen will then be partitioned into two sections, and now you can go ahead and select another app that you want to open at the bottom. So let's go and choose the phone app. And from here, you'll have successfully opened up split screen on your device. So you'll have the first app and you'll have the second app ready for you to choose from. If you want to switch to a different app, you just want to tap on this handle right here, and then you can just switch them so that messages, the phone app is now at the top and messages is at the bottom. If you want to increase or decrease the size of the windows, you're going to just long press on that handle and then just drag up or drag down, and then you can see the changes you're making to the size of each window in split screen. Bear in mind that if you do drag even further up or further down, it might risk you closing an app in split screen, so keep that in mind whenever you're moving the handle to your desired position. If you want to switch apps, say for example you want to switch the bottom app to something different, what you're going to do is just tap on this blue handle here, and then you're going to open up the apps menu. In the apps menu, you'll see other apps that are available for you to choose from. So go ahead and select one, and once you've selected it, it will not be the app that's visible for you at the bottom. You can do the same thing at the top. You can just tap on that handle and then choose another app that you want to use at the top. So let's say contacts. So you can see here, you're successfully switching between apps. If you want to close a split screen, you can do it in two ways. You can just drag the handle in between the two windows all the way down or all the way up to close a split screen. Or you can just tap on that blue handle right here and then select the X option. Once you do that, it will then successfully close the split screen of your A07. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.